Hello and welcome. Today I am going to discuss about a topic from which questions have come years after years in various services exam, which is archaeological finding and evidences during Indus Valley civilization. So let us first discuss in short about Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in northwestern regions of South Asia, lasting from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE, and in its mature form 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE, together with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. It was one of the three early civilizations of the Near East and South Asia, and of the three, the most widespread, its site spanning an area stretching from northeast Afghanistan into through much of Pakistan and into western and northwestern India. It flourished in the basin of Indus River, which flows through the length of Pakistan, and along a system of perennial, mostly monsoon-fed rivers that once coursed in the vicinity of the seasonal Ghaggar-Hakra river in the northwest India and eastern Pakistan. The important sites of Indus Valley civilizations are as follows. That is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhu-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan, Sarkotoda, Dholavira, Daimabad, Katdiji, Rangpur, Alamgirpur, Mehergarh, Banwali, Rakhigari, etc. We will discuss about these sites findings and who and how they are founded. So let us first discuss about Harappa. Harappa is an archaeological site in present-day Pakistan, about 24 km west of Sahiwal district. The site takes its name from modern village located near the former course of the Ravi river. That means the site is situated at the site of Ravi river and was excavated by Dayaram Saini in 1921. The major findings of Harappan sites are listed below. Historians came to this point by radiocarbon dating that the strongest evidence for this interpretation would be the burial site, that is in Harappa, cemetery R37 and H37 is the coffin burial cemetery. This is a picture of R37 and H37 coffin burial. Another finding of Harappa is a vanity case. These are some products of that vanity case. Bronze models of Ikkas and bullock carts have also been found. This is a picture of granaries present in Harappa. In later phases, single-roomed barracks, granary outside the citadel, and working platform, sandstone steatite of a youth with muscular body, bronze image of a dog attacking a deer have also been found. These are some seals of that time of Harappan civilization. Sandstone girls dancer, reversed sleepwear of Mesopotamian type also been found. This reserved sleepwear of Mesopotamian type have confirmed that Harappans were attached with Mesopotamians. Next, we will discuss about Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro meaning Mount of the Dead Man. It is located in the present day Sindh, that is in Pakistan, and situated at the site of Indus River and excavated by R.D. Banerjee, that is Rakhal Das Banerjee, in 1922. The major findings of this site are temple-like structure. Temple-like structure, you can see that here, a temple-like structure here, human skeleton huddled together indicating a violent death, that is called Mount of Dead. A violent death you can exempted by this picture, that human skeleton huddled together indicating a violent death. Apart from that, Pasupati Mahadev seals have also been found in this area. This is the seal, and others are seal depicting mother goddess with plant growing in womb, devastation by flood. Many historians assumed that devastation by flood a major issue of the breakdown of this site. Collegiate building, assembly halls, granaries, steatite figure of bearded priest have also been found in this site. Steatite figure of bearded priest is this picture is steatite figure of bearded priest. Another important found in this site is that bronze dancing girl, that is this bronze buffalo and ram, cylindrical seals of Mesopotamian type 3 in number, evidence of horse from a superficial level. Fragment of women cloth, corbel drain has also been found. Next, Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro is founded by Mackay in 1925. This is also in Sindh, Pakistan, and situated beside the Indus River. The major findings is that city without a citadel, that this city misses a major citadel. Small pot, probably an ink pot, is found. This is the picture of ink pot. Shell ornaments makers factory, metal worker factory, bead making factories, shell ornaments makers factories and bangle making centers are also at Chanhudaro. The next site is Lothal and was excavated by S.R. Rao in 1954, that is present day Gujarat in India. Vogava river is situated beside this site. The evidence of rice, evidence of fire altars was present. This is a picture of fire altars. The people of Lothal worshipped fire god, which is also evidenced by the presence of private and public fire altars where religious ceremonies apparently conducted. Terracotta models of ships and boats, houses having front entrances, bronze rod stick with measure marks, dockyard have also been found. Here is a picture of the town planning of Lothal. You can assume or imagine the town planning. Here is the dockyard and you can imagine the town planning of this site. Medical beliefs and surgery of skull was also founded in this site. Painting on jar resembling the story of Panchatantra, Harappan game similar to chess warehouse. Terracotta figurine of horses, shell ornament makers factory, metal workers factory have also been found. Bead making factory, a merchant house, 12 bathrooms in the citadel have also been found in this site. Impression of cloth on ceiling, reserved sleepwear have also been found in this site. Evidence of joint burial is important. This is a picture of evidence of joint burial. Practice of trephination have also been observed in this site. Kalibangan is the next site and was excavated by Amlananda Ghosh in 1951, Rajasthan, India, and was situated beside the river Ghaggar. practice of trephination, medical beliefs and surgery of skull, copper bull, 6 types of pottery, evidence of ploughing, camel bones was the foundings of these sites. Next is Surkotoda. Surkotoda is in now Kutch, Gujarat and founded by J.P. Joshi. Cities where lower towns were fortified, remains of bones of horses, massive fortification wall of semi-undressed stones, a pot containing human ashes and evidence of pot burial was also found. The major discovery of this site was that the remains of bones of horses, which is only found in this site. Next is Doimabad. Doimabad was an archaeological site in the Indus Valley civilization, and the foundings are copper two-wheeled chariot with a rider, copper rhinoceros, copper elephant and copper buffalo. The next site is Balathol, that is in Rajasthan. Mature cottage industry was founded in this site. Next is Kali. Cities where lower towns were fortified, fire altars. This is the main evidence or excavation in this site. The next is Rangpur. Rangpur is mainly famous for evidence of rice. Rana Gundai is mainly famous for teeth of horse. Kotdiji, which was a premature Harappan city, that is no division of city is found. Absence of mother goddess and figurines was founded in Rangpur also, and absence of seals found in Alamgirpur, which was the easternmost site of the Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. Next we have Balakot. Balakot is famous for shell ornament maker factory. Dholavira. Dholavira is for city having a middle town apart from the citadel and lower town. Dholavira has a citadel and lower town and also have a middle town. Okay. Amri. Amri is famous for instances of rhinoceros that is depicted on seal, and no division of city was observed in this area. Mehergarh is famous for presence of cotton before the finding at Mohenjo-daro. That is, first cotton was founded in Mehergarh. Okay, that is Sukkur. Stone factories was founded at this site. Rana Gundai is famous for destruction of burning. Banuwali is famous for terracotta replica of plough. And next we have Rakhigari. Rakhigari is famous for clay or plough. Okay, so these are the mainly the famous sites of Indus Valley civilization, and the major findings of these sites I have discussed with you. So this is the end of this video. Please subscribe our channel for videos like this. Simply Education. Thank you and stay blessed.